Hi children, good morning. Now children, now without delaying, let's go to our topic in mathematics, chapter 5, 0 to 100 number concept. Yes children, this is page number 66. Already we learned 64, 65 pages now. Stacks of pencils like that. Same way we are doing 66th page. See children here. Count the stacks made by the child and write the numeral and number name. What children? You have to count with me. Count the stacks made by the child and write the numeral and number name. Numeral means number. Number name means in words you have to write it. Yes children. So you have to follow with me. Count with me. Okay. See children here also. Here one stack of pencils. Here second stack of pencils. In one stack of how many pencils are there? Come on, count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here one bunch no children. Yes, bundle of pencils. Yes, like that here also bundle of pencils. 10 pencils here also. Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here one set of 10 pencils and two set of 10 pencils. How many stacks? Set of, or stack of, or pile of, or bunch of, or bundle of are the same meaning. Isn't it no children? See here stacks. How many stacks are there? S-T-A-C-K-S, stacks. How many stacks are here? This is one stack. This is another stack. So here in one stack how many pencils are there? Come on, tell me children. Now we counted now how many pencils are there in one stack? 10. In second stack how many pencils are there? 10. 10, 10 how many? 20. 2, 0, 20. You put in the circle. Yes, these two pencils. Here two sets. This is 10 and this is 10. 10 plus 10 how much? How much children? 20. So here two stacks of pencils. 20. Two stacks of pencils how many? 20. 2, 0, 20. Come on, now tell me number name. You write in word no children. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Isn't it? 20 number and here 20 number name. Yes children. Understood all of you? Same 64, 65 pages. How we have done like that only this also. Yes. Count the stacks made by the child and write the numeral and number name. Same no children? Yes. Clear all of you? Here this is one set. This is another set. Two sets. Two sets. Two stacks. Two stacks of pencils. How many? 20. Understood all of you? Now, next one. See here, how many stacks are there? Come on, tell me. One stack, second stack, third stack. Means one stack of how many pencils? 10. Second stack of how many pencils? 10. Third stack of how many pencils? 10. So, 10, 10, 10. How much? 30. 30, 30. Yes? Come on, tell me spelling. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Yes? This is one stack of 10 pencils. Second stack of 10 pencils. Third stack of 10 pencils. So much? So that how many? 30. 30, 30. You put in the box. And T-H-I-R-T-Y you write in word. I think so. All of you understood no children the sums? Okay. Good children. Now, come on, count here how many stacks are there. S-T-A-C-K-S, stacks. Stacks means set of things. This is one stack, second stack, third stack, fourth stack, fifth stack. In first stack, how many pencils are there? Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one stack, 10 pencils. In second stack, 10 pencils. So, 10, 10, 20. In third stack, 10 pencils. So 30. In fourth stack, 10 pencils are there. Count children. Yes, you know now counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So fourth stack, 10 pencils. 40. And here, this fifth stack also 10 pencils. So 50. Yes children, these 5 stacks of 10 pencils. How many? 50, 50. Yes, come on, tell me spelling, 50 spelling. Tell me. Okay, good. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Very good children. 50 spelling, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay. Now, see children here, how many stacks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stacks. In each stack, how many pencils are there? 10. And second stack, how many pencils? 10. So, 10, 10, 20. And third stack, how many pencils? 10. So, 10, 20, 30. And in fourth stack, how many pencils are there? Count 10. Yes, total 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, 4 stacks of pencils means 40. 40, 40 you put in the box. And spelling you should write it here. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Yes, 40 spelling you write in this box. Understood children? Very easy, no, these sums. Just you count pencils, how many pencils are there. That figure you write it and spelling write it. That's all over. Okay. Now see here. How many stacks are there? Come on, count. 1 stack, second stack, third stack, fourth stack, fifth stack and sixth stack. So total how many stacks are there? 6 stacks. 6 stacks means in each stack how many pencils? 10. Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, in one stack 10 pencils. In second stack 10 pencils. In third stack also 10. Fourth stack 10 pencils. Fifth stack 10 pencils. And sixth stack 10 pencils. So here 6 stacks, no, 6 stacks of 10 pencils. How many? 60, 60. 6 stacks of 10 pencils. How many children? 60, 60, 60. Tell me spelling, 60 spelling. Yes, you know 60 spelling? Good. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Very good. Now, see here. How many stacks? See children, many are there now stacks. Shall we count now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bapre, 9 stacks of pencils. 9 stacks of pencils means in each stack how many pencils? 10. Come on, count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one set, how many pencils? 10. Second stack, 10. Third stack, 10. Fourth stack, 10. Fifth stack, 10. Sixth stack, 10. Seventh stack, 10. Eighth stack, 10. Ninth stack, 10. Yes, children, here 9 stacks are there. 9 stacks of 10 pencils, how many? Tell me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yes, children, 90 pencils. 90, 90 number you put in the circle. And 90 spelling, tell me. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. Yes? Good children. So, 90. Yes? 9 stacks of 10 pencils means 90. Understood all of you children? Okay. Now, we'll go to another one. Here how many stacks are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stacks. See how many stacks are there? 7 stacks. In each stack, how many pencils? 10. Come on, count children. Find out 10 are there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. In one set, 10. And second set, 20. And third set, 30. And fourth set, 40. And fifth set, 50. Sixth set, 60. And seventh set, 70. Means in each stack, how many pencils are there? 10. 10 and the next set, 20. Yes, 2 stacks, no? 20. 3 stacks, 30. 4 stacks, 40. 5 stacks, 50. 6 stacks, 60. 7th stacks, 70. Stacks means, come on, tell me, set of things, or bunch of things, or pile of things, or bundle of things. We can say anyway. These are stacks. One stack, second stack, third stack, fourth stack, fifth stack, sixth stack, seventh stack. So total how many? 7 stacks are there. 7 stacks of 10 pencils, how many? 70. 70. Otherwise, you can count, children, all the pencils you can count it. How many pencils you counted? That figure you write it here. 70. Isn't it? 70, no? 70. And spelling, tell me 70 spelling. SEVENTY. 70. Yes? Understood all of you? Okay. Now we'll go to another one. Yes, children? See here also. Fill in missing numbers and learn the number names. See here also. Here just one after the another pencils. Yes, children. One after the another pencils are arranging, no, children, here. Here. This is also stack of pencils only. Yes. One after the another arranged here. Here one stack of pencils and here second stack of pencils. Some extra pencil also there, no, children. Yes. Have you seen extra pencil? This is extra pencil. Here one stack of pencils and here second stack of pencils and extra pencil also there. Isn't it? Have you seen pencil? Only one single pencil is there. Okay, how many are there? We will count. See here, how many in one stack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one stack, how many pencils? 10. In second stack also, come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 2 stacks of pencils are there and extra one more pencil also there. Yes, here 2 stacks means how much? 20. You keep it here 20. Plus extra pencil is there, no, children? How many pencils? Only one. Single one is there, no? That plus 1 you add it here. 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1 how much? 21. 21. Isn't it? Understood all of you, children? Here one stack of 10 pencils. Second stack of 10 pencils. How many? 20. And extra pencil is there, no, children? 20 plus 1. How much? 21. 21. You put in the circle 21. And spelling write down. 21 spelling you know, no, children? TWENTY 20 ONE 21. Is there any hard, children? Easy, no? These are simple sums, no, children? Number concept 0 to 100 number concept is easy, no? Just you count and that figure you write it here. And number name write down. That's all. Yes? Easy, no, children? Shall we go to another one? Okay, good, children. Now see here, again count here. Arrange, no, here one set, second set and third set. Here one stack of 10 pencils. Second stack of 10 pencils. Third stack of 10 pencils. Yes, and extra pencils also there. Come on, count, children, extra pencils. 1, 2, 3 pencils are here. Here extra pencils how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils. So along with the 3 stacks, you have to add these 3 pencils also. So how much? 1 stack of 10 pencils, 2 stack of 20 pencils, 3 stack of 30 pencils. Yes, 30 you keep it. Plus, addition symbol plus. Here how many extra pencils? 1, 2, 3, no. Plus 3. Just you put it. 30 plus 3. How much? 3, 3, 3, 33. 3. 30, 30, no. You add 3. Yes. 31, 32, 33. How much? 33, no? You put it 3, 3, 33. Come on, tell me spelling. THIRTY 30. THREE 33. Yes, children. Here just one I put no children. That is just you correct it kanna. 3. THREE 3 you write down. Yes. THIRTY 30. THREE 3 33. Understood all of you? Yes? Okay. Now we'll go to another one. How many stacks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 stacks. 4 stacks means how much? 40. Extra pencils also there here, children. Come on, count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 extra pencils. 4 extra pencils are there. So, along with the 4 stacks, we add these 4 pencils also. So, how much? 1 stack of 10 pencils. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 you keep it. Plus, extra pencils how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. 40 plus 4 how much? Tell me. 41, 42, 43, 44. Isn't it? 40 plus 4 how much? 44. You put it here. 4, 4, 44. Yes, children. And spelling tell me. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-O-U-R 44. Understood, children? All of you? Just these stacks you count it. And extra pencils also along with the stacks you count and put number. That's all. Okay? Now we'll go to another sum. How many stacks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stacks. There is no extra pencils. Yes, is there any extra pencils? No. Only 5 stacks are there. Okay. We keep it 5 stacks only. There is no extra pencil, no? So we need not write extra number. How many stacks are here? 5 stacks. In each stack, how many pencils? 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes? In each stack, how many? 10 pencils. Here, first stack 10, second stack 10, third stack 10, fourth stack 10, fifth stack 10. So, total 5 stacks of 10 pencils. How many? 50. 50. There is no extra pencil, no? So, just you keep 0. No extra pencil. So, 0 you keep it. So, what is the number? 50. 50 pencils are there. 50 put in the box or in the circle and write number name. FIFTY 50. Okay, children? 50. FIFTY 50. Now, see, children. Count how many stacks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stacks. And any extra pencils are there? Come on, tell me. Extra pencils are here? No. Count. 1, 2, 3 extra pencils. Along with the 7 stacks, 3 extra pencils are there. Isn't it? Those are mine. I will take these 3 pencils. Okay? Will you give me 3 pencils? Children? Okay. Good children. Come on. Count how many stacks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes? See, in each stack, how many pencils? 10. So, how many stacks are there? 7. 7 stacks of 10 pencils, how much? 70. 70. You keep it here. Plus, extra pencils, how many? 1, 2, 3. Put it plus 3. 70 plus 3, how much? 71, 72, 73. You put it 73 in the circle. 73, 73. And number name what, children? 73 spelling, tell me. You know, no? Come on, tell me 73 spelling. Good children. SEVENTY 70. THREE 73. Very good. Yes. Now last sum, we will do it. See here, how many stacks count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bapre, 9 stacks are there. Is there any extra pencil, children? Say yes or no. No, yeah? No, it's wrong. 3 extra pencils are there. Yes, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 extra pencils are there. So, along with 9 stacks, you count these extra pencils also. In each stack, how many pencils? I told no, children. How many pencils in each stack? 10 pencils. First stack 10, second stack 10, third stack 10, fourth stack 10, fifth stack 10, sixth stack 10, seventh stack 10, eighth stack 10, ninth stack 10, and along with that we add these 3 pencils also. See, come on. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here, in one stack 10. Second stack 20. Third stack 30. Fourth stack 40. In fifth stack 50. Sixth stack 60. In seventh stack 70. In eighth stack 80. In ninth stack 90. Okay, 90 plus. Come on, count these extra pencils also. 90 after. 91, 92, 93. Very good. See, children, 9 stacks of pencils means 90, you put it. 90, 90. Plus extra pencils, how many? 1, 2, 3. 3, you put it here. 90 plus 3, how much? 93. 90 plus 3, how much? 93. 93, 93. You put in the circle. Now tell me 93 spelling. You write in number name, no, children? You should write in word, no? 93 spelling, tell me. NINETY 90. THREE 3. 93. All of you understood this? Yes, very easy, no, children? You practice. Yes, children. This all sums, what I gave, what I explained, that all you practice one time at home. Yes, children. Follow. Yes, this is your homework. Okay? Bye. See you tomorrow.